The fundamental attribution error is a cognitive bias where individuals tend to overemphasize internal factors like personality or character and underestimate external factors like situational influences when explaining the behavior of others.
Nasaan na ba si Ken?
Ewan ko dun. Lagi na lang lagi na nagdadahilan na laging late, ganyan, malayo daw yung bahay.
Lagi.
Uy, pasensya na, nalita ko. Okay lang, pre.
Buka na dyan.
Asa na ba si Ken? Bakit late na naman? Tuwing groupings, lagi siyang late. Wala na siya naaambag sa grupo.
Lagi nang late, pabigat pa.
Ano ba yan? Late na naman. Napaka-irresponsable talaga neto. Kailan ba ito titino?
If a coworker is consistently late, you might assume they are lazy or unreliable without considering potential reasons like traffic, family emergencies, or work-related issues.
Tay. Tay, sino tay? Tay. Salamat, ano? Ticket. Tay, tay. Tay, tara tay. Salamat, anak.
Actor-observer bias is the tendency to attribute the behavior of others to internal causes while attributing our own behavior to external causes.
Wala pa nga, pre.
Paano yan pag may huli?
Takbo.
Saan ba punta?
Yan lang, pre.
Sige pre, ingat.
Ito na, pre, ha.
Ingat. Lang ako. Tambay lang ako eh.
If you are driving without a license, you might think you know how to drive without it before you get it next time.
Oo, bubungguin. Di kita bubungguin. Kita mong palikuyan, no? Di kita nakita. Lisensya ka ba? Wala eh. Nakapang helmet, oh. Bawal yan. Delikado ka.
But if someone else is driving without a license, you might assume they are reckless drivers or lack of skills. Self-serving bias is the tendency to attribute our success to internal personal factors and our failures to external situation factors.
A student who performs well on an exam may ascribe their success to their excellent preparation and intelligence.
papasa ako dito. Letter A, B, C. Alam ko na yung sagot dito. Pasado ako dito. Pasado? Alam ko na eh. Nag-review ako dito. Bakit ko bagsak dito? Nag-review naman ako dito ah. Tsaka nung in-exam namin, parang kalahati. Hindi naman kasama dun sa exam. Hindi talaga marunong po mag-grade yung prop na to. So may kasalanan kung bakit ako bumagsak.
He attributes his good grades for studying, but he attributes his failing grades to the flaws of his professors.